After watching this video you will be able to understand the types of fishing lures. Perhaps the best way to get the fish is to attract him with a sightseeing lure. Fish had a highly developed, high visual acuity like some birds, only that theirs are more spherical. Naturally, when fish find what's attractive for them, they would easily fall into it, so it is important to choose the right combining features of lures so you can grab their attention instantly. A fishing lure is an artificial bait that imitates the movements of a natural lure to attract fish. The usage of fishing lures has been rampant since 2000 BC up to today's date, because of its effectivity of luring the fish in. The most important feature that you'll need to look after a lure is the movement, color, and vibration when it is underwater. The lure is attached to the end of the mainline and casts it out underwater or anywhere the fish is hiding. Before having more information about the types of fishing lures, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Different types of fishing lures. Fishing lures are like a replica of the prey for the fish, but they are engineered to cause vibration in the water to grab the fish's attention, knowing that fish are hypersensitive, aggressive and territorial. There are many types of lures. Jigs fishing lure. Most anglers use jigs as their fishing lure. It is moving vertically underwater, contrary to snapper baits, which move horizontally. Jigs are versatile to be used both in freshwater and saltwater. The jig's head can vary in size, shapes, and colors along with some other features. The most popular jigs come in the shape of a flipping jig, football jigs, and grass jigs and can weigh around 0.80 ounces. The body of the jigs has different materials in them too, like silicone and rubber. They are an imitation of the fish's usual prey, which are frogs, minnows, paddletail, and leeches. Surface fishing lures. Surface lures, or commonly called waddlers, are another type of lure designed to waddle, pop, twitch and lock across the water's surface when it is retrieved. The materials for this lure are either plastic or wood. Spoon fishing lures. Spoon lures are mostly used during fishing events. It is an oblong-shaped lure made of metal, used to target fish's eyesight for the light reflection it can produce. Plugs fishing lure. Plugs are a hard-bodied fishing lure that was first made in the 19th century by James Hedden, the manufacturer and supplier of the fishing lure in Michigan. He was enjoying the rest of the day, when he mindedly thought a piece of wood into the waters, when a large base was hit and faintly went down to the water. This scenario made him do some experimentation and named this as Lucky 13 to prove his point. So plugs maintained its popularity until the 20th century, where many investors came in from different fishing industries to design and invest in fishing lures. Fishing lures spinnerbait. A snapperbait is quite similar to the jigs, only that it is made of metal. There are many kinds of spinnerbait too. Inline spinner, salty pit, and tail spinner. Among the three, the inline spinner is the most popular because of its blade factor and treble hook dressing. Types of fishing lures. Conclusion. If talking about fishing as a hobby, getting a lure will make you more relaxed while waiting for the fish to bite. It's laid back, but at least the amount of time that's supposed to be enjoyed is becoming productive. For more information about the types of fishing lures, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.